How you doing? Welcome to my kitchen. I am Gabriel Grimes. I'm so excited that you are here today with me. Today we're gonna make a great chicken curry. It's amazing. Now, chicken is such an easy protein to make, but finding creative ways to make chicken that it will taste great for the family, now that's a challenge. So today I'm going to show you a great recipe inspired by a great YouTube channel called Spice Eats. So if you haven't seen it already, go to that channel. It's impressive. Today I'm going to show you this great recipe and I hope you enjoy it. Come along.
Starting with coriander, red chili, turmeric, and garam masala. Our curry paste ingredients are dried red chili peppers, 10 cashews, and 2 red tomatoes. No respectable curry can be made without the appearance of these two twins, ginger and garlic. And wherever those two go, onions aren't far behind. And of course our protein, the bird. Now in a skillet on medium to medium-high heat, add the dried chilies, the cashews, and toast them until they begin to turn color. Transfer the toasted cashews and chilies to a food processor, add the 2 tomatoes, and blend it till it's a paste. Go back to that hot pan, add some oil to cover the bottom, and then the diced onions. Sauté these onions until they're translucent. Now it's time to add the twins and cook for a few more minutes. After the twins have been properly incorporated, it's time to invite the dry spices to the party: coriander, red chili, and turmeric. Now hold off on the garam masala. Now, after the spices have been incorporated, add the tomato and the chili paste. Mix well and cook for a few minutes before adding the garam masala. After a few minutes and letting everybody get to know each other, it's time to bring in our protein. You know, when cooking thighs, it's important to begin cooking on the top of the thigh and then turn it over bone side down to cook it for that longer period, which here is going to be 20 minutes. Add about a cup of water to the liquid until it's about halfway up the chicken. Now let's cover it and let it simmer for 20 minutes. Add dried and crushed celery leaves to the chicken. It adds flavor and a floral aroma. And I don't know what it is about rice, but it pairs so well with chicken curry. Now this is some of the cilantro lime rice that I had left over from yesterday, which I am going to repurpose. Oh my gosh, it's so good.
Now it's time for the bites. Look at that. My goodness, this tastes amazing. So I have the flavor of the garam masala, a little bit of the cinnamon in there. I taste the onions with a slight crunch in the background. It's all infused in this chicken and it elevates this chicken to level 10. If you want to have an amazing recipe, an amazing flavor, then you need to go ahead and download mine right here. It is something that your family is going to want over and over and over. You saw how easy it was. You just throw it on the stove, put it in a cast iron skillet, and it is yours. Thank you so much for subscribing. And if you haven't already, do it now. Subscribe, hit the little bell button. I can't wait to bring other recipes like this one into your home. Thanks for visiting.